Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to try recovering your Instagram account even after it has been permanently deleted for more than 30 days. Start by opening a browser and going to Instagram's official help center at help.instagram.com. Once the page loads, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, then choose Manage Your Account, followed by Signing Up and Getting Started. Scroll down until you see the question prompt. Select No, then choose Other. A text box will appear where you can describe your issue. In the message box, write a clear request explaining that your Instagram account was permanently deleted after 30 days and that you'd like assistance recovering it. Finally, submit the request. Instagram may reply within a few hours or days with further instructions, though keep in mind, recovery is not guaranteed. And that's how you can try to recover your Instagram account even after permanent deletion. I hope this guide helps, and good luck with your account recovery.